Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Super Mario Galaxy on Dolphin Emulator. First, you'll need to download the Dolphin Emulator. Head to the official Dolphin website and grab the latest stable version. Make sure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor for a good experience. Once downloaded, extract the files to a dedicated folder and install any required graphics drivers to ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, you'll need the Super Mario Galaxy game file. The most ethical way is to dump your own physical game disk using a modified Wii console. This creates an ISO file, which is a perfect digital copy. Alternatively, ensure any digital backup you acquire is in a compatible format like ISO or RVZ. Store this game file in an easily accessible folder on your computer, ready for Dolphin to find it. Now let's configure Dolphin. Launch the emulator and go to the Config menu. First, add the folder where you saved your Super Mario Galaxy game file to Dolphin's game paths. Then, adjust the graphics settings. For most systems, a resolution of 2x native or 3x native offers a great balance. Finally, set up your controller. You can use a keyboard, mouse, or a connected gamepad for the best experience. With everything set up, you're ready to play. Simply double-click Super Mario Galaxy in Dolphin's game list to launch it. You might want to fine-tune motion controls within Dolphin settings for a more authentic feel, perhaps mapping them to your mouse. Remember to save your game frequently, both through the in-game save points and potentially using Dolphin's save states. Enjoy exploring the cosmos with Mario.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.